Fancy learning Welsh the easy way? So do I. Let's do it together. Simai, hello, and welcome to another episode of Learn Welsh with Will. Now, I recently had a request to do an episode about numbers and counting. So this time we'll be learning to count up to 100 in Welsh. First, of course, you'll need to know the basic numbers 0 to 10, which go like this. 0. Dim. 1. Un. 2. Die. 3. Tri. 4. Pedwar. 5. Pimp. 6. Chwech. 7. Saith. 8. Wyth. 9. Naw. And 10. Deg. Now, in use, the pronunciation of some of these numbers may change slightly because of mutations and shortening and the like. But this is nothing to worry about, and you will be perfectly well understood if you just use the standard unmutated names. The teen numbers. Now, the teen numbers basically consist of un deg, which means 110, with another number attached. So, for example, 17 would be un deg saith, literally 110 and 7. 14 would be un deg pedwar, meaning 110 and 4, and so on. And all the teen numbers use this same construction. The tens. Now, the tens are also quite straightforward. It's simply a matter of describing how many tens are in the number. So, for example, un deg means 110. Wyth deg means 8 tens, 80. Tri deg means 3 tens, 30, and so on. For intermediate numbers, you would simply add a number on the end of the tens. 34, for example, would be tri deg, 3 tens, 30, and pedwar, 4. Tri deg pedwar, 34. Let's try another. 78. That would be saith deg, 7 tens, wyth, 8. Saith deg wyth, 78. And so on. Once you get up to naw deg naw, 99 of course, the next number is 100, which in Welsh is cant. And it's worth knowing that sometimes Welsh speakers will use hanner cant, half a hundred, for 50, instead of the more usual pum deg. So there you are, numbers in Welsh. And a good way to practice the basic numbers is to translate your phone number, rhif phone, and those of your friends into Welsh. So, if my phone number was 0183246, for example, that would be dim, un, wyth, tri, dau, pedwar, chwech. Try it for yourself. It's good practice and good fun too. Well, that's all for now. So until the next time, hwyl fawr i chi.